Thanks for tuning in, and thank you so much for subscribing. Good morning, guys. My daughter bring me breakfast this morning. Today I'm going on the road. I'm going to return a few items that I bought yesterday and just pick up a few bits. Also, I've got a pain in my shoulder. It's just giving me a warm time. I'm taking some ibuprofen to ease the pain, you know, the rub and that. And then now, hopefully it will go. I'm not worried about it too much. So Vlogmas is kicked off yesterday for me. Please go over there and like subscribe. Okay, so guys, I'm in Westfield now. Going to the shops to exchange a few items. So yeah, you can come with me and see where I'm going. Yeah. T-shirts uniforms. I'm a personal shopper. Ones as well. So guys, I'm not going into Zara because there's too much people in there and there's nothing in there, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. I already got something in my bag shopping. This guy is running down the lift like he's running down his bedroom stairs. I'm not going in the children's section in that store because there's too much money. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just going to Boots to pick up some medication for my arm. You guys see the pajamas there. So I hope you got your Christmas pajama ready. Not everybody is doing the Christmas picture thing. I did order some, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it in time. But yeah, it is what it is. So I'm going into Boots now. Yeah, there's some paracetamol and some Nurofen for my shoulders. Because I've been having really bad pain in my shoulder. I couldn't even sleep. So the sun is out today and I'm at the bus stop waiting for my bus. I'm going home. Hey guys, so I finished my shopping and I'm on the bus and I'm going home. Can you see the sun and can you see my skin? My skin is spinning. The sun is out today. And this is a bit more shopping now. Just went into H&M, returned something, and I bringing something back. But now I finished and I'm going home. So we'll speak later. Remember, it's Vlogmas. So I'm feeling a little bit hungry today. Dinner's on the stove, so I'm just having some milk. And my Nicole made cookies, so I'm having unafraid cookies that she made. Just want to show you, she's a good little baker, she is.